Okay, let's get back to this. C17. I probably missed the position you're talking about. Well, let's answer that question on this board. C17. Oh, wrong button, just a second. Did black do something special? No. Ordinary. And you'll find a lot of boards think ordinary things happen. But you need to make sure you do something ordinary, he does something special. Oh, you should have seen that coming. And that's what exercise is about. Okay. So on the right, all the black stones on the right are in a position to stop white's access to the right. If we change the colors on the upper left, let's do that. White becomes black, black becomes white. Now, once again, that left side, black can start taking charge of that, right? And the left side starts looking pretty good. That's just another example. Okay. White's ideal move on top is R17. Let's see, white played here. Yeah, white on top. If that's all we're looking for white, yeah, that's a nice move. Take the corner, hurt black, yeah. But it's black's move. Also, so we looked at the right and how black can develop the right. But in a much more local sense, this is a special Joseki. White offered black the entire corner. That's a pretty big corner. Let's just go with 3 black stones, 3 white stones. Black has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. White has 0. 12 to 0. That's huge. So black gains and white says, but I'm planning on getting those back. Well, maybe you will and maybe you won't, but this is one of those special Josekis where black can take a huge corner. And if white doesn't have compensation, then black's ahead right away. Okay. Well, that was the main thing. I figured this exercise, it would take about half our lecture time to do it, and we're almost there. Again, this is very specific and technical, but I thought it would be good for people to see, and maybe you all can, you know, throughout the week pick a partner and work on this as an exercise and try to, and go ahead and play it out through, you know, well into middle game, until all the corners are dealt with. Anything else on this? Oh, I don't know if this is going to make any sense. There's this problem about Joseki. What can you do? How can you play Go when you don't know Joseki? And let's just look in the upper left as an example. So, you know, our theoretical few players says, I don't know Joseki here. Well, you'll either get out to the right, which would be A or B, or you go into the corner, which would be C. Those are 2 directions to go. We don't like D because it bumps our head into white, right? D's a head bumping. We don't like to bump our head unless it's a special time. So either go out or into the corner. So we look at the board and say, which is better? Well, if we switch the colors in the upper right, black becomes white, white becomes black, I think I might like the outside. this outside's looking very exciting. You know, there's a lot happening on top. But that's not the case here. There's no particular reason to go out. So we'd go in the corner. There's always a reason to go to the corner. Points, stability, we like that. Oh, I don't know Joseki. Where should I play? Connect your stones. And granted, we can't just fall into excellent Joseki by just putting our stones down. But if you follow basic, you know, it's okay. All right. Well, I think that's enough on this. Dasan says, Shy, if black plays on the wrong side, what would white's good move be? Good move on the right be? You mean if black plays this way? Dasan? Is that the question? If white gets sente, well, let's give white sente. White can take it. So if white says, you know, I really don't want to get pinched here, white has to decide, you know, white's going to be playing based on the A stone. And it's got two directions. You can go into the corner or to the side. Is the side special? You have to make that decision. If you decide, yeah, I think the side's special, well, what about the corner? That's kind of nice too. Yeah, but I thought the side was special, so I played on the side. There's a thing to get used to. You look at the 7 dons, and it's like, oh, if I get only 7 dons. But I've seen so many professionals analyze 7 dan games, and it's like mistake, 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 mistake. I mean, it's just they play so bad you won't believe it. So it's like all they're doing is saying, here's what I think, and that's your job. Well, what do you think? You think the top or the corner's bigger? Simply making that decision, a conscious decision, actually will make you a much stronger player. Because generally, Q players don't think. If you simply start thinking, well, which is bigger? Yeah, that's the other thing. I want to be as bad as a 7 dan, yeah. So, as a matter of fact, in this case, I'd look and I'd go, no, I don't really know. Seems to me, yeah, the top looks nice, but when I take the corner, I'm hurting black. It's a big move, stabilizing me, hurting black. That has to be good. Even if black gets an unusually large top, I'll continue getting profit because he has a weak stone. So it would seem to make more sense to go this way because it has a future. The weak black stone. While there's no weak black anything. There's no weakness here. Okay. I think that covers that. And for our second half, let's go create our own game. I guess we can do it on this board. There's no reason we can't do it here. And